Installing an M.2 drive. Locate the M.2 connectors on the system board and determine which connector the M.2 drive is to be installed in. Insert the M.2 drive into the M.2 connector at an angle of approximately 15 degrees. Slightly press the retainer to accommodate the M.2 drive. Press down the M.2 drive and make sure it is engaged securely by the retainer. Reinstall the drive cage assembly into the node, and then reconnect all the required cables to the drive backplane. Make sure that all the required cables are routed and connected correctly, and then reinstall the top cover. Reinstall the node into the chassis.